Well, we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top, you keep saying top.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Today is going to be a studio work with me motivation vlog. I have 25 teacher shirts to make for Valentine's Day, so wish me luck. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you like these type of videos. I think it helps with getting a little motivation going with some music and vibes, and I don't have to talk that much. So let me know down below if you like this. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that notification bell so you can know when your favorite uploads. Talk to you guys in a bit. What's up, you guys? Coming in with a little voiceover just to clear my thoughts and tell you guys what I'm trying to do moving forward with videos like this. So yeah, I want to start a new series where I combine a vlog and a podcast feel together like a little diary. Talk about the ups and downs of running a business, shifting your mindset, and different craft project ideas. Let me know if this is something you like and help me pick out a name for this series. I'm thinking like a pod work with me or a pod motivation. Let me know down in the comments below. So let's talk about feeling overwhelmed. Y'all, when I get big orders like this, I beat myself up a lot. I feel like no one wants to help me and I'm doing everything by myself. When realistically, I did have help from my daughter. She weeded most of the vinyl, and my husband helped me press the shirts. We had like a assembly line going on, and he helped me package the shirts. But I realized the real problem. I'm not fully working for myself and want to accomplish so much more to YouTube and my business that my 9-to-5 job is taking most of that time. I just feel like the 40 hours I put there, I could take that time to create better content, have more time to edit, update my listings on Etsy, and market and take photos on all my socials. Now, this is not to say I hate my job whatsoever. It's my steady income that pays the bills for the moment. It's the urge of an entrepreneur. And those that knows what I'm talking about. You just want to put your all in for yourself instead of someone else's pocket. I also feel like I need to do better with planning out my weeks and sticking to a schedule, which may prevent my meltdowns when juggling everything. I started to cut out random hangouts with friends. Like if it's not on my schedule, I can't do it, period. And also need to utilize my 7 to 10 p.m. window I have to myself. When the kids are getting settled for bed, just use that to get whatever I need done, because that's 3 hours I can get a lot done. But y'all, sometimes I be so tired and end up not doing what I need to do. And with that all on my mind comes the overwhelming feeling. But I'm going to just take it day by day because everything that I can do is showing in my growth all around. It's going to be slow growth, but future success, and I can't be mad at that. So this order took me about 3 days to complete. The one struggle I had was finding enough vinyl. Can't find vinyl, y'all, but I do everything from start to finish, no print on demand, because I want that special touch on all my orders. It just hits different. Maybe later down the road, I might look into doing the print on demand. But that's a strong maybe, because if something goes wrong with the vendor, I will still be held accountable, and I don't want that. The support I receive from you guys, I can't thank you enough. I can't. I've been on and off YouTube since 2009. Yes, a very long time. But now I found my groove and gonna stick to it from the support of my community. You guys rock. You guys allow me to put everything I love in each video. I make tutorials with a twist, with using the love I have for music and just being myself. And I want to thank you guys, especially. I know I mentioned doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, but be patient. Details will come once I hit that mark. But you guys, enjoy the rest of this video and work with me. Put this video on to light that creative spark and get things done. Enjoy.
Same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage and say sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. You said, yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars, cause when I